street photography is more than just capturing moments. It's about expressing a unique perspective with clarity and conviction. When I first started, my images felt uncertain, lacking the authenticity I admired in others' work. Over time, I discovered 5 transformative mindsets that reshaped my approach. These mindsets helped me move beyond hesitation, allowing my photos to reflect genuine emotion and confidence. In this section, I'll share how embracing these perspectives elevated my photography, turning fleeting snapshots into meaningful, impactful images. Each mindset played a crucial role in fostering creativity and self-assurance, paving the way for a more authentic visual storytelling journey. Pre-focusing your camera at 3 meters is a technique that allows you to be ready for spontaneous shots. By setting your focus distance ahead of time, you eliminate the delay caused by autofocus searching for the subject. This approach is especially useful in fast-paced environments, such as street photography or events, where moments can pass in an instant. With your camera already focused, you can react quickly and capture images that are both sharp and well-timed. Pre-focusing also reduces the risk of missing important details due to focus errors. Overall, it's a simple yet effective strategy for photographers who want to improve their chances of getting clear, decisive shots. In street photography, the phrase f8 and be there captures a fundamental truth. Using a small aperture like f8 ensures a greater depth of field, keeping more of the scene in sharp focus. This technical choice allows photographers to react quickly without worrying about precise focusing. Equally important is the act of being present, placing yourself where moments unfold naturally. Great street photography often hinges on anticipation and timing, as well as an openness to the unexpected. By combining a reliable camera setting with a keen awareness of your surroundings, you increase your chances of capturing compelling, authentic images. Approaching someone on the street for a portrait can be daunting, both for the photographer and the subject. However, leading with a genuine smile can instantly break the ice and foster a sense of trust. When you smile, people are more likely to relax, making them feel seen and respected rather than just photographed. This simple gesture often encourages natural expressions and authentic moments, resulting in portraits that feel candid and personal. By connecting emotionally before raising your camera, you create an environment where your subjects are comfortable enough to reveal their true selves. Ultimately, a smile is a powerful tool that transforms street photography from a transaction into a shared experience. The zone system is a powerful tool for photographers seeking to control exposure, particularly in shadow areas. By carefully placing shadows within specific zones, you can preserve subtle details and textures that might otherwise be lost. This technique allows you to create images with greater depth and visual interest, as the interplay between light and dark becomes more pronounced. Mastering exposure for shadows not only enhances the mood of your street photography, but also adds a sense of drama and realism. With thoughtful application, the zone system helps you guide the viewer's eye and evoke emotion through the careful balance of shadow and light. Taking the time to walk slowly and look up can transform the way you experience your environment. By moving at a gentle pace, you allow yourself to truly observe the details that often go unnoticed. Looking upward reveals new perspectives, from the interplay of light and shadow to architectural features and natural patterns. This mindful approach helps you discover unique compositions and fleeting moments that others might overlook. Embracing the power of slowing down not only enhances your creativity, but also deepens your connection to the world around you. Embracing these 5 mindsets can truly elevate your street photography. By approaching each scene with curiosity, patience, and openness, you allow yourself to see moments that might otherwise go unnoticed. These perspectives encourage you to connect more deeply with your environment and the people within it, resulting in images that feel genuine and impactful. Over time, you'll find your work becomes not just technically proficient, but also emotionally resonant. Authenticity and compelling storytelling emerge naturally when you photograph with intention and awareness. Ultimately, these mindsets help you move beyond simply taking pictures, guiding you toward creating meaningful visual narratives.